Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you the unboxing, the setting up, as well as printing a test photo using the Canon Zoemini Photo Printer. It's a very decent photo printer is what I say, so let's begin. Inside the box, you got the actual mini printer, you got a quick reference card. This will come in handy and I will walk you through the steps. That's your booklet, which has got warnings as well as manufacturing details. Those are 10 sheets of your zinc paper. Zinc equals to no ink paper. And it also comes with a USB charging cable. It is very lightweight and it's got smooth edges all around. That is your charging port. It's got a charging indicator. That's where the safety strap goes in, and it's got a reset button. Getting back to the quick reference card, it's got 3 easy steps in there. First one is to charge your device, second is to insert the photo paper, and third is to install the app and print. So I've charged my device for 30 minutes. And now I'm going to show you how to insert the printer photo paper. The pack comes with 10 photo printing sheets and 1 blue colored smart sheet. Now it's clearly mentioned on the blue smart sheet that you got to place that card down into the paper stack. So please make sure you follow the same instructions and insert the whole pack with the blue smart sheet downwards into the stack. Put the cover back on and you're ready to proceed to step number 3, which is installing the application. Now I use an iPhone, so I go to my app store and I just look for the app which is called Canon Mini Print. You can also have the app installed on Android devices via the Google Play Store. Once the app's installed, fire it up and it's going to ask you whether you want to turn your Bluetooth on. And yes, you do, because that's the only way your mobile device can talk to the printer. Now if you wish, you can allow the push notifications or you can ignore them. These are basic terms and conditions, you can accept them. The app has also got a quick tutorial, you can follow it, if not you can just ignore it. Now comes the interesting part. Come on, let's power up our printer. You can just hold the power button for 2 seconds, and the moment the indicator is steady, you know that the printer is ready and available via Bluetooth. So let's go to my gallery and pick a photo, whichever one I want to print. The app's got its built-in edit options where you can use it to adjust your brightness, your contrast. You can add some frames or even text and stickers. Once you're finished with your edits, you hit the print button and you just add your printer. It usually takes about a second or 2. There you have it. Select the printer and then hit the print button. So what it's going to do is, if you remember, we actually inserted a zinc smart sheet, the blue colored sheet. So it's going to try and print that one first. To be honest, I really don't know why it does it, but as soon as it finishes printing that one, it's going to start printing your actual photo. At this point, there's nothing that you need to do. You just got to be patient and wait for 35 to 40 seconds. And it's going to start printing your photo. So that's it. Wasn't that easy? Well, it surely was to me. The photo paper is nice and glossy, and as soon as the photo is printed, you get a confirmation on the mobile app. The zinc photo sheets actually have a sticky back, so you can use them as normal stickers. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do give us a like and do subscribe to our channel. Cheers.